Did you know FunctionX is a decentralized finance ecosystem or DeFi that was created in 2019 by Pundi X Labs. It is a blockchain-based platform that allows developers to create customized blockchain and dApps. FunctionX is also one of the projects to integrate an Ethereum virtual machine compatible chain. What I personally love about FunctionX ecosystem is that it is designed to be decentralized and autonomous, meaning that it is not controlled by any one organization or individual. The FX token is also decentralized, and its circulation, allocation, distribution, and control are handled by the community. We can do a lot of things here in FunctionX, like be a validator, be a delegator, add liquidity in the FX swap, farm in FX swap, use the FX wallet, trade in MarginX, and a lot more. Validator in the FunctionX ecosystem is a node that is responsible for validating transactions and blocks on the FunctionX blockchain. Validators are chosen through a process of staking, which means that they must deposit a certain amount of FX tokens into the network. In return for staking, validators receive rewards in the form of FX tokens. These are the list of the validators we can see in the star scan of the FX score. This is the top one, the top active with a voting power of 5.69%. So these validators play a very important role in the FunctionX ecosystem because they ensure that the blockchain is very secure and transactions are processed accurately. People who cannot or do not want to validate, like me, can still participate in the staking process as delegators. So to become a delegators, you need to have an FX coin and delegate it. Here are the list of the legit validators of the FX core. And you can check here the current APR that you will get, self-funded, commission rate, uptime, participation, anything that you want to check about the validator. So make sure that you will check it. And if you have a lot of questions, the FunctionX has some documents that maybe can help you with your FAQs. So you can read everything here about the delegator, and if you have any questions, you can go to the Telegram or to their forum and ask the questions here. So how to delegate? Of course, the only thing that you can do in order for you to delegate is to download the FX wallet. So it's available on Google Play or the Apple Store. You can download it directly from the website. Get the FX wallet here. After you downloaded the wallet on your maybe Android phone or iOS phone, you need to go directly to this one and then to this bottom bar in your phone, and then go to Delegate FX and then click Delegate, and you'll see a lot of active validators. So make sure that you have read the risks, the document for the delegators. So example, if you want to maybe go to the Litecoin because they have a 17.83% reward APR, click that one, considering that we have do our own research. So delegate, select the address, and then delegate, like for example 10 max if you have that one, and then click next and you're good to go. That's delegated. As simple as that. And in line with that, you can also have the FX wallet. So FX wallet is a decentralized, non-custodial, private key supported wallet for ERC20. So we can manage, transfer, and grow our digital assets with different dApps and DeFi protocols here. In line with the delegating, we can also delegate to Pundi X. And we can also directly deposit here and buy with our bank card. So we have the option here all in our FX wallet if you want to get in the FX core ecosystem. And if you want to earn possible returns, you can do it with the liquidity mining in the FX swap. So I funded my account with 100 FX. This is the participating fund, the FX USDT or the FX Pundex. So you need to have an FX USDT or the Pundex. So I'll be using the FX USDT for this liquidity mining pool. So I'll have to swap this to USDT. So I'll just confirm it in my wallet and then add USDT to MetaMask if you want. then close, and then go to pool, add liquidity, FX USDT. I'll be adding a 40 FX with this corresponding USDT, and I'm happy with that. So I'll just hit supply, confirm supply. Okay, confirm, and then I'll just add it on the MetaMask. Close. So it's pending right now. We can see everything in the FX star scan. So I'm using testnet right now, but you can absolutely do this on the mainnet, and this is the same process. Okay, after adding the liquidity, let's go to farm and deposit it. So let's deposit. Let's hit maximum approve. So you need to pay for you need to sign and deposit and pay for gas fees, I think. Yeah, so the gas fees is pretty low, and our transaction is here. This is our liquidity deposited, and we'll have 1.40 FX per week. So when you withdraw, the contract will automatically claim WFX on our behalf. That's how you get a possible returns for the FX swap. And for the traders, they have this MarginX. This is the first community-based on-chain DEX built on the Function X network to facilitate the trading of stock-based perpetual contracts. As a DEX user myself, Function X provides a great support for the whole DeFi industry, and this will easily help onboard new crypto enthusiasts and maybe investors. All I can say is Function X is here to stay and will continue to rise. I really do believe that this is a hidden gem, and once a lot of people will know about this one, it will surely be big. So I'll be linking everything down below and get to know them for yourself.